Hi and welcome to this video from Dr. Lock.
My name is Josh from Dr. Lock Brisbane.
I have another video for you today, showing you a 2016 Ford Transit van that I made new keys for. Hold on to your hat, you're going to be blown away with this exciting video. Not really, unless you have lost all your keys for a Ford Transit van, and you are looking for a locksmith in Brisbane to save the day. Ford dealer charges $247.75 just for the genuine remote key.
This is not including cutting the key, programming, and labor.
You need to get a tow truck as well, to get the van to the Ford dealer. Dr. Lock Locksmiths can do the job where the van is and for a lot less.
So let's now look at this video and let me show you how you can save hundreds of dollars just by one phone call to the right person.
Hey, Ford Transit 2016. Brand new key. Lock, unlock. This one's done 401,000 kilometres. And it's a 16. So clutch in on these ones. Yep, sounds like a Transit. Parking aid function failed. Okay, and that's it. So these keys are very much like the Festiva, but the difference is it does have the side door there. That's just to say that the door's open. Lock, unlock. And that's it.
Enjoyed this video.
We look forward to your phone call.
Thanks for watching from the Dr. Lock team. 0413120444.